Hi everyone. So you asked for economy binding. I believe I have a video, but I don't really remember when it was posted or whatnot. So here I'm doing a Fabric Cafe economy binding. This is 1 1/4 inch strips. I have my strips. I have joined them the long ways. If you can tell, the long ways right down here, not the zigzag or like the offset. Because that's what you use for economy binding. What I do is have a nice hot iron. I ironed it all straight, and this is my tips and trick. I put this in half, and I fold it in half, and then I take my iron, and I carefully iron this in half. So we're just gonna go with this half here. I'm not going to do the whole full length because I would be doing 5 strips of width of fabric for most Fabric Cafe quilts. Some are, 6. When I come to the area where where the 2 pieces have a joint, I open that up and I open up the seam, right? I open it up and I come in and fold in half, and I just keep doing that until I have the whole binding done. Then it's nice and crisp. If you're not using starch and you need starch, I use Best Press, or you can use starch, just spray it. But this is batik and it's pretty stiff already. Now I have to come in, and I have it like this, right? I have to open this up right now. So now you see there's a crease there. And let me see, let me get in here. I'm going to come in here. And if you notice, I'm going to bring and fold this little tip of this fabric, or this end of this fabric. And I'm going to put it right in to that tip. You see that? And then it'll be ironed like this. So how do I do that easy without burning my fingers? I lay this down and I start it. And what I do is I put a pin, and I do this on my wool mat. I stab it there and I come in and use my fingers and I fold. And I fold that right in. Now these are heat resistant pins. So they're very helpful because you want to make sure you're using some kind of heat resistant pin. You don't want those little heads to melt. So I come in, and as you can see, I am folding it in. And then I'm going to take it all the way to the end. As you can see, we're here. Everything's been folded. I come in with my iron and I make my first press. I pull out my pin, and now I put my iron this way. I come in here and I just quickly leave it for a second. There's no rush. You pull out a pin and you let the iron sit there. I pull out a pin, and this is how I do not burn my fingers. Pull out a pin. And my last pass before I do that, pull that off, and now look at this. You have perfect economy binding. See, right there, it's folded in, and it's ready to be put on a quilt. So I hope that helps you. Please, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below about anything you may have on economy binding. And so I hope you found this useful. Everyone have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I'm trying to get more subscribers out there to know that I'm around. Take care. Bye.